Alright, here today we're going to demonstrate demagnetizing tape heads, and what better to do it on than a Mellotron. You have a lot of heads, unlike your open reel tape decks or your cassette decks, or if you really want to go back, your 8-track tape decks, which only have one head. There's multiple heads here. To demagnetize a tape head, there's a few steps. It's a simple process, but you have to understand what's going on. This is a head demagnetizer. You basically plug it in and it becomes an electromagnet. The tip has a coil in it, what creates an electromagnetic field. If you were to touch it to a screw or something that was loose, it would pick it up. And the process of demagnetizing a head is basically simple. What happens over time as a tape strip runs over the heads, the tape strips being magnetic, or your cassettes or your open reels, slowly magnetize it. It's the same effect people would do with a screwdriver and a magnet to magnetize the tips to pick up their screws. So in time you have to demagnetize the heads. If you don't demagnetize them, you start losing your treble. It'll start slowly degrading your tape recordings because it'll erase them. So the process is simple enough. When you have a magnetic field going on, you will take your tip and you'll go across the head back and forth because you're kind of north to south, and then you pull it away slowly, and that process will literally neutralize the magnetism. So let's do some heads. It's important to go slowly and slowly lift as you do this, because you don't want to over magnetize it rather than demagnetize it. And there you have it, a completely demagnetized Mellotron.